resolved the matter, and he'll be returning to operational duties. The release says it's a private, internal matter concerning an employee, and no further comment will be made. There are numerous flight delays and cancellations in airports across North America.